Hi guys, this is Maddie. In this video, I'm gonna show you what is the craziest technology in the world. Let's start. Brain-computer interfaces. A company called Neuralink is experimenting with implantable technology that will allow medical professionals to restore patients' sensory and motor function due to accidents or neurological disorders. This technology is also planned to be used in ordinary brains to improve and advance our memory and intelligence. What is BCI? Brain-computer interface is a collaboration between a brain and a device that enables signals from the brain to direct some external activity, such control of a cursor or prosthetic limb. The interface enables a direct communications pathway between the brain and the object to be controlled. What is brain-computer interface example? The most common example of use of such technology is the direct control of a computer cursor by a person or animal using a BCI based on electrophysiological signals. A BCI allows a person to communicate with or control the external world without using conventional neuromuscular pathways. Can the human brain be replaced by a computer? Someday, many years from now. Technology will probably exist that will be able to reconstruct the brain while cutting some corners for improved efficiency, but is unlikely to be able to replicate every nuance of perception, memory, emotion, and intuition. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope this video was useful for you. If you have any questions, please let me know. Subscribe in our channel so that you can find a host of clever features and useful tools. See you soon in the next video.